and Scoop. Robots and Leia having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo!
Leo the truck. On the farm, the cars have grown some healthy vegetables. Time to get the harvest in. Robots, stop messing about. Lifty is bringing some crates.
I'm nearly there.
No, Robot, that's not a ball, you know.
Oh.
Lifty has brought some crates for the vegetables. Let's harvest the carrots. And the beetroots. And the cabbages.
Cabbages. Beetroots. Carrots.
Lifty, the robots are tired.
Yeah, there's too much for us to do. We need help.
Lifty is right. To collect a big harvest, the farm needs a combine harvester. I wonder who's got one.
We'll take this part off. Huh? Leo!
I'm on my way.
Leo is bringing a part in his body which needs to be fixed to the combine harvester. It's a reaper. It lets the machine pull vegetables out of the ground.
Whee!
Hi there.
Leo and Leia have built the combine harvester.
Let's go to the farm.
The red robot is going to drive the huge vehicle. Watch out! There's a tunnel ahead.
Whoa.
What's wrong? Are you stuck?
And what now?
Has the robot thought of something? He's pressing the accelerator. Stop! The combine harvester is too big.
Hello? Need any help?
Hello, Scoop. The tunnel is too narrow. The combine harvester can't get past.
I can make it wider quickly.
Scoop wants to widen the tunnel using his scoop.
Stop! The tunnel is very long. You'd need to dig for at least a week.
Let's get the combine harvester unstuck first.
Scoop is pulling with all his might. Lifty too.
Leia, push. Hooray!
They've rescued the combine harvester. But how to get it to the farm? Oh dear.
I know.
They need to take the huge combine harvester apart so they can take the small parts through the tunnel. Headlights. Windows. Leo is taking the combine harvester apart like a construction toy.
Usually, we build machines. Are you sure we can manage this, Leo?
Of course, we'll manage.
Quickly! Let's get the parts.
They need to take all the parts to the farm. Leia and Leo are carrying them in their bodies. Lifty is helping push the combine harvester's body with his forks. This robot is taking the headlights. Scoop has the exhaust pipe. Hooray! The purple robot can see his friends. All the parts are here. Now we can put them back together. The headlights, the steering wheel and driver's seat, the windshield, the wheels, the reaper, the exhaust pipe.
We've managed it after all.
Let's get to work.
The combine harvester is collecting the vegetables. Are you ready, Leo?
Yep.
Let's go! These carrots grew in the field, but now they're in Leo's body. Leo's body is full.
Hooray!
Now it's my turn.
We'll collect the beetroots in Leia's body. Goodness me, what a huge pile of vegetables. And another one.
Carrots, beetroots, and cabbages. So many!
The harvest is finished. Let's go and play.
Great idea, Scoop. Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. Leo the truck is driving along the road. Hi, Leo. Are you bringing new parts? Wow, a full bed. Lifty and Scoop are playing at the amusement park. But Leo's not going to join them. He's going to the robot's home. Robots! Knock, knock, knock. Leo's here. Hi. The robots are very happy. Leo brought a surprise for the robots. These are parts for a minivan that they can drive around in, just like Lifty, Scoop, and Leo. Oh, the wheel rolled away. Let's start building. Red chassis. Wheels. 1, 2, 3. Where's the fourth wheel? There it is. Good job, robot. These are batteries. The robot's minivan will run on electricity. Electric motor. A yellow panel where folding chairs for the robots are attached. the steering wheel, and yellow control panel. Do you like it, robots? Body. And doors. The minivan's ready. The robots are very happy. They press the button. Look at how the door opens. The robots go in. The red robot's behind the wheel. Let's go! Strange. Why isn't the van moving? Oh, the robots thought of something. Yes, it worked. Let's go. The minivan's moving, but very slowly. I wonder why. Ah, two robots are pushing it. Stop. Leo, why isn't the minivan moving on its own? Ah, the batteries are dead. They need charging. Robots, push. Leo found a place where you can charge them. Connect the car to the wind generator. The wind generator rotates due to the wind and charges the minivan's battery. It turns out the minivan will run on wind power. Wow! It's ready. Now the minivan can move on its own. The robots and Leo quickly go to the amusement park. The music in the minivan works. Robots, don't miss the turn. Scoop, Lifty, hi. It's cool everyone's here. Let's ride the carousel. Good job, Leo. Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. Autumn has come. There are lots of juicy apples on apple trees. Time to pick apples. Look, Forklift Lifty brought another empty box. Robots, help him pick apples. Be careful. Oh! Such a big pile of apples. There are too many apples for Lifty. He needs help. Hi, Leo. We have a whole trailer of apples. We need a tractor to take it away. Let's start building. First, attach the front axle to the chassis. Install the motor. Two wings. They will be above the rear wheels. Four wheels. Front and rear. A steering wheel. A gear stick. Driver's seat. Front lights. Almost done. What is missing? The tractor needs a large exhaust pipe in front. Here is the place for it. Leo, can you find it? Leo found so many different pipes. Does this look like a tractor pipe? No, this is the ship funnel. And this? This is a car exhaust pipe. Here is a blue exhaust pipe that we need. Take it with you, Leo. Install the pipe. The tractor can work now. Hooray! The tractor takes apples to Leo's home. Friends can make jam and bake apple pies. Or just eat apples. They are yummy. Oh! Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. Look, we need to lay new asphalt on this bridge. A large truck is already bringing crushed asphalt. Pour the asphalt here, truck. Lifty, wait! The road is not ready yet. Your wheels leave traces.
Oi.
Asphalt must be compacted first, right, Leo? Unload your body. We will build a road roller. Let's put the motor on this heavy platform. A cabin. A steering wheel. Driver's seat. Wings. 2 wheels behind. A frame for the cylinder in front. Headlights. Exhaust pipe. And 2 spotlights on the roof. Is the roller ready? No! It needs a cylinder to level and compact asphalt. Let's go look. The robots are following Leo again. Oh, Leo has already found everything. Which of these things is Roller's cylinder? This one. Right. Look, Leo does the happy dance. Hey, robots, what are you up to? Where are you taking the cylinder? They're playing again. Robots, wait! It's hard to catch up with you. Help us put the cylinder in place. Excellent! Now, let's see how the road roller works. The road and the bridge are ready. Lifty, you can go. Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. A blue car is being washed at the car wash. It's Max. And here are the robots. They're asking Scoop to dig a hole on the playground. I wonder why. They think that there's treasure buried here. Or here. Maybe here. Right here, says the red robot. Could he be right? Let's find out. Just a little more. Ah, water. A real fountain. No, this isn't treasure. Scoop accidentally broke a water pipe with his bucket. There's no more water for the car wash. Max can't finish his bath. Leo, will you help us?
Ooh.
We need to build a vehicle that will install new pipes.
Huh?
But first, we should shut off the water. This is the tap. Turn it, robot. Scoop, let's make the hole bigger so we can get the pipe out. Leo, are these the parts for a pipe-laying crane?
Huh?
The chassis. Tracks with wheels. The cabin. The operator's chair. The control lever. Doors. Lights. The arm. The grapple for the pipes. Excellent! The pipe-laying crane is ready. Look, it's removing the broken pipe. Wow! What a hole! Now we need to find a similar pipe that isn't broken. Will this pipe work? No. How about this one? Not this one either. This is the pipe we need. The pipe-laying crane puts it in place. Hooray! We did it! We need to turn on the water to make sure everything's working. Water isn't leaking from the ground anymore. Scoop, fill the hole in. How are things at the car wash? Max can finish his bath now. Thanks, Leo.